Beautiful and durable tile and stone installations are a combination of high quality materials and workmanship. The purpose of this instructional video is to demonstrate the correct use of the Laticrete system of tile and stone adhesives. The Laticrete system can be applied to many substrates, but a true and plumb surface is required for vertical tiling. This can be obtained by the application of a render made from Laticrete 226 render grade and 3701. The mix is made by adding 226 powder to 3701 liquid and mixing thoroughly to the desired consistency. This can be done by hand or in a mixer. After ensuring that the substrate is free from dust and loose or weakly adhered material, it should be wetted if it is porous or dry. Guides should be established at the required thickness either side of the working area, taking great care to ensure that they are true and plumb. Once the guides have hardened, render can be applied and firmly compacted between them. Using the guides to establish the thickness, excess render can be struck off. Before finishing with a wood or plastic float. Render should not be applied in layers more than 12 mm thick. Where a second coat is required, the surface should be scratched in order to provide a good key and allowed to harden. The second coat is then applied in the same manner and finished with a wood or plastic float and protected from wind or sun for 24 hours. Tiles are applied with an adhesive made from Laticrete 211 powder mixed with 4237 liquid to form a creamy consistency. For uneven substrates, Laticrete 4237 may be mixed with render grade 226 to make a medium bed adhesive. Large format tiles should be supported on a level bar until the adhesive is set. The surface should be clean and thoroughly wetted if it is porous. Whilst the Laticrete system does not require the tile to be soaked, the back of the tile should be free from dirt or loose material. After mixing, the adhesive should be allowed to slake for 5 minutes before remixing. For large format tiles, a loop notch towel is used to apply the adhesive to the wall. The adhesive should be thoroughly scraped into the substrate before combing. For tiles in excess of 300 by 300 mm, it is recommended that the back face of the tile is completely buttered to ensure full contact between wall and adhesive, in addition to beating in and twisting and sliding the tiles. Spacers support the tiles and ensure uniform spacing. Before the adhesive sets, excess should be removed from the joints. After the adhesive is set, spacers and any remaining adhesive can be removed from the joints. The joints can then be grouted, with excess grout removed by drawing a rubber-faced float diagonally across the joints. After the initial set, any remaining grout can be polished off with a damp cloth. Paper-faced mosaics can be fixed using Laticrete 500 series coloured grout mixed with 4237 in a one-step fix and grout operation. This time a V-notched or 3x3mm notch trowel is used to apply the adhesive to the previously wetted surface. Joints can be filled from the back using a rubber-faced float with the same adhesive mix before the mosaic tiles are placed on the wall. The backing paper can be easily removed after it has been thoroughly wetted. The Laticrete system has been producing durable tile installations since 1956. By following the methods described in this instructional video, you can achieve the same long-lasting results.